Hi everyone, it's meteorologist Brian Bennett. It's a holiday weekend, as you know, with Mother's Day on Sunday. Additionally, we are looking at a bit of a pattern change. We're moving from the dry season of winter and spring into the wet season of late spring and summertime. So rain chances are going to start increasing. Additionally, we have a low pressure system that's going to develop in the Gulf of Mexico and bring us pretty good rain chances over the next 7 to 10 days. Looking at the infrared satellite imagery and the visible satellite imagery, you can see that we do have the old frontal boundary here out in the Atlantic. We have a trough of low pressure just north of Cuba here. This trough of low pressure is going to move to the north and turn into an actual closed off area of low pressure. And as it does so, it'll continue to bring in some juicy air and bring us pretty good rain chances as we head especially through next week. Here's a look at what's called the precipitable water. The red represents a good deal of moisture in the atmosphere, and we're going to tap into that juicy atmosphere as we move through the weekend. So expect a little bit more humidity, also a lot more moisture in the atmosphere. More moisture obviously means better rain chances. All right, so here's a look at the European computer model, and it's actually the preferable model to look at with this particular situation that's going on with this low pressure. And let me take you day by day so that if you're making any plans for Mother's Day or next week, you can kind of get a good idea of what to expect. All right, here we are through your Friday evening. Friday evening is going to remain dry, just kind of mostly cloudy. And then as we head into Saturday, here's Saturday, and you can see for the most part, Florida is looking pretty dry. So again, here's Florida right here. Here is Tampa Bay. Down here is Fort Myers. Over here is Miami. And here's Orlando and Jacksonville up here. And then, of course, the Panhandle. So looking like a dry day on Saturday. So if you plan on doing anything with mom outdoors, Saturday I think will actually be the better outdoor day, as there's pretty much no rain chance, though it will be mostly cloudy throughout much of the day. So pretty much dry on your Saturday. And then moving into Sunday, here we are Sunday afternoon. By Sunday afternoon, we're looking at the precipitation moving possibly as far north as Interstate 4, so southern Tampa Bay, starting to see some scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm as well as that rain starts to move north with that trough of low pressure. And then moving into the evening time, that rain continues to trek off to the north. All right, moving into Monday, we're looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms, fairly likely, so kind of a soggy day possible on Monday with that low pressure offshore and dragging in that warm moist air from the south. Moving into Tuesday, much of the same, scattered showers, fairly likely. Moving into Wednesday, we're still looking at scattered showers, a bit more sea breezy, if you want to call it that, with a bit more sea breeze development and not as much widespread activity as we're going to see on Monday. Moving into Thursday, scattered showers once again, kind of on and off rain by Thursday afternoon. Moving into Friday, much of the same thing. Wherever you see the greens and the blues, that represents a chance for rain. So scattered showers, maybe even a thunderstorm on your Friday. Moving into next weekend, here we are on Saturday. Scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm possible once again. Most likely developing along the sea breeze. The East Coast sea breeze will be the kind of the predominant sea breeze. And then moving into Sunday, we're still looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms. So as you can see, we're looking at rain chances fairly decent for the extended rain for the range for the next 7 to 10 days. So the bottom line is, let me actually show you how much rain you can expect over the next 10 days. So let's take the European model out to day 10, which is May 21st. And you can see pretty much the entire state of Florida is painted at least red. Red is about 2 to 3 inches of rain. The whitish color represents about 5 to 6 inches of rain. So we're looking at, on average, roughly 3 to 5, 3 to 6 inches of rain over Florida between now and next weekend. So definitely a pattern change considering all the dry, sunny days that we've had over the winter and early spring. But that's going to change a bit this weekend, again, with the dry season kind of going away, but the main feature being that low pressure tracking across Florida. Of course, you may also hear a bit of folks on social media talking about a possible tropical depression. There's a tiny, tiny, tiny chance that this low pressure could develop into a bit of a subtropical depression as it moves into the Gulf, but really that will not impact the type of weather we receive. There is not any threat of having any type of wind or anything like that. If any subtropical depression does develop in the Gulf, the main thing we would have is just rain, and that's what we're going to have either way. So whether an actual system develops in the Gulf or not doesn't really matter. We're looking at pretty good rain chances over the next couple of days. Again, Saturday being the better outdoor day for Mom if you plan on having a picnic or anything. All right, guys. Hope all is going well. And that's it for now. Have a great weekend, okay? Bye-bye.